Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will explain how to remove a Ford Focus headliner. First, prioritize safety by disconnecting the negative terminal of your car's battery. This crucial step prevents electrical issues during the process. Next, you will need to carefully remove the plastic trim pieces from the A, B, and C pillars. These panels are often held by clips and screws, so take your time to avoid damage. Having your tools organized will make this much smoother. Moving on, you will need to detach several interior components. Start by unscrewing and removing both sun visors and their corresponding clips. Next, carefully remove all grab handles located on the roof. These are typically secured with screws hidden under small covers. Finally, gently disconnect any electrical connectors for the dome lights or other roof-mounted accessories. Patience is key to prevent breaking any plastic tabs. Now, it is time to release the headliner itself. The headliner board is usually held in place by several clips around its perimeter. Carefully and gently unclip these fasteners, working your way around the entire edge. Be very mindful not to bend or crease the headliner board, as it can be fragile. For a smoother and safer removal, especially with a larger headliner, having a second person to assist can be incredibly helpful. With the headliner completely detached, carefully maneuver it out of the vehicle. Often, the easiest way is through one of the front or rear door openings, tilting it as needed. Once removed, take a moment to inspect the exposed roof for any signs of rust, leaks, or other damage. This is an excellent opportunity to clean your existing headliner fabric or prepare for a new one. Congratulations, you have successfully removed your Ford Focus headliner.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.